To show today's date on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra lock screen, you have to add today widget to the widget bar on the lock screen. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Type the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show add widget or already have widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Tap calendar. There are two types of today widgets available. 1x1 today widget that shows the day and date, and 2x1 today widget that shows the date and month. As the example, we will select 2x1 today widget. Tap Done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the 2x1 today widget will now appear under your lock screen clock. This widget displaying the date and month. As a note, even though the date is shown on the lock screen clock, the today widget make it easier to see the full date at a glance. It's especially useful if you use a clock style that shows the date in small size or less clearly. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.